Okay, we're doing a mirror replacement, 2008 F-150. Some sorry person hit this in the movie theater parking lot, tore it off, and didn't leave a note, so gotta replace it. Luckily, this part is only $100 from Ford, so brand new from Ford, $100, can't beat it. It's 3 nuts right here and an electrical connector. All I gotta do is pull this door panel off. So let's get this thing pulled off. We'll get it straightened up here in just a sec. Okay, so to get this door panel off, there are 2 screws, 2 10mm right behind the handle. You just pop off that cover right there. You pop off the control panel, the switch panel. There's a screw right here. So we got 2 and 1 right there. And then you have to pop this plastic cover off, pull the speaker out, and then pull these 2 little plastic studs out just on the bottom, because these sit right here and this door panel sits like right here, and you got to pull it up. So you have to pull these out first and you can pull it up. Don't gotta worry about those top 2. So yeah, 10mm, 6mm, 5.5mm, pull those out, pull your switches off. This comes up, and then the cable is right here. The back of this, you can just pull that out and then pull that off. Then you pick the panel up, and now we're looking at these studs we need. So let's do that now. So we got 3 11mm nuts right there. And you can pull this back right there. And there's one little plug it's got to pull out. So there's a little tab on it right there. Just pull it out. And then this mirror should pull off. And she's toast. So we'll set that one there. Grab my new one. And put this one right back. Just like that. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Let me go put this down. So get the new mirror in there. All you gotta do is tighten these up. Come right here. Plug that back in. We can put it all back together. So putting this back together, take this cable and just slide it right back in there. And then it just slots right back in there like that. All right, so we got this set back down there. Make sure you get your locking mechanism in there. Get your cables through here. Everything lines up good. You can take your speaker studs, mash those back in. Then the speaker goes back in here, 5.5mm. Take your 6mm, put them back in the bottom. Then your 8mm, put them back in there. Cover, 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 and you're done. That's about all there is to it. Just these 3 nuts and getting that panel off. And you are good to go, baby. Look at that. Already got my new blind spot mirror on there. We done. Y'all keep wrenching, y'all keep it wide open. See you in the next one.